Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 30th of December 2021, very near the end of the month and the end of the year. And who knows what 2022 is going to be like? Probably just another crap show. Who knows? So, taking a look here at the multiple time frame analysis of Cardano, the 3 week chart is still so very young. And I mean, well, actually, Cardano's price data is still so young, even though it's been out for a few years. Long, kind of a long-term project compared to some other cryptos, but it's been, it's not enough for it on the 3 week chart to even get to a position where it's trading with the full indicator suite of Ichimoku levels. So, and that'll only show up on the 3 week candle that opens up on January 24th of next year. But there are some things that we can take away from this. First off, look at the oscillator down below. You'll notice that the level that it's at is the lowest it's been since May, the 3 week of May candlestick that started on May 11th of 2020, back when it was at around 8 cents. Looking at it now, that's the kind of the low it's at and still at. So there's some clear hidden bullish divergence there, except there's not a support structure currently on the 3 week chart. So we're below the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen on the 3 week chart, and we've essentially kind of as far as like the bodies of candlesticks are concerned. It's taken us 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, going on 21 weeks to retrace from open to close the range of the bar from the first week, the 3 week candle in August that started at 131, closed up at 270, 105.99% gain. So that took a while for that to pop up, but when you look at the last kind of deep run it had that generated a spike, we'll see if that happens again. On the weekly, you've got strong support right in that $1.30 to $1.35 zone. You have the 382 fib retracement, you have Senko Span B, you have the 2021 volume point of control there. You've got the composite index moving out of new all-time lows, crossing above its fast average and looking like it's going to cross above its slow average as well here pretty soon. You have the RSI, which is still barely in bull market territory. It's right on top of its last oversold level at 40. And the the percent B is sitting just below 0.2, looking like it wants to bounce up higher from that level. So, yeah, the Cardano looks very supportive here, but we'll have to wait and see what happens. I mean, it could be positioned for a very a bearish breakdown south. We'll have to watch and see how that plays out, though. And then we go to the daily chart. Of course, we've had a pretty steep drop over the last few days. Going back to December 27th, we were trading at 163. And we've basically moved as far down as 21% lower from that level. Currently, we're down 18% from that high. That was the highest high that we've had all month. Pretty well. Nope, I take that back. It's not the highest high, but it was one of the higher highs that we've had for the month of December. It's just one of those scenarios that looks, I don't know, what happened to the composite index? That's weird. Hold on. Well, I'll add that later, not during the recording. But daily chart looks like we have a pretty good support zone here developing on that weekly chart that's holding. If it can stay that way, we'll see it rally higher, and especially want to pay special attention to what the Chiku span or lagging span is doing. If it moves above the candlesticks, if we get a daily close above 143 or so, we should probably see a nice drive up and continuation move higher. So that does it for me on Cardano. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.